User experience, or UX design, aims to create meaningful interactions between users and products, focusing on the user's journey and satisfaction. On the other hand, user interface, or UI, design handles the interactive and visual elements, ensuring a smooth and engaging user experience. Mastering these skills can lead to a successful career in the growing field of digital interface design. User experience design, or UX design, involves creating products or services that provide meaningful experiences to users. This encompasses various disciplines, including branding, usability, function, and design. UX designers consider the entire user journey, from the initial introduction to a product or service through blogs or advertisements to the user's feelings after the interaction. The primary goal is to ensure every user has a positive experience, whether it answers a question, entertains, or provides valuable information. Conversely, user interface design, or UI design, focuses on the actual interfaces users interact with. This includes buttons, text, images, sliders, and other interactive components. UI designers ensure that every visual element, animation, and transition in a product or service contributes to a seamless and enjoyable user experience. They work on the visual design, branding, and interactivity to enhance the overall user experience. While UX and UI design are often used interchangeably, they have distinct roles. UX design focuses on the overall feel and meaningful experience of a product or service, while UI design concentrates on the visual and interactive elements that enhance the user experience. UX designers create wireframes and prototypes to establish the user flow, whereas UI designers finalize the visual design and interactive components. Together, they ensure a cohesive and satisfying user experience. UX designers are responsible for developing strategies, testing, implementing, and analyzing products and services. They focus on content strategy, which involves designing, producing, and implementing content like text, graphics, and multimedia. Prototyping and testing are crucial steps, with designs going through several iterations. UX designers also collaborate with larger design teams, plan projects, and conduct consumer research to understand user needs and improve the overall design. UI designers manage the finer details of a product or service's interface. They select typefaces, create visual elements, and ensure that each piece of content aligns with the design goals. UI designers are responsible for creating and maintaining a brand's visual identity, developing visual design elements like buttons and colors, and implementing interactive components such as animations. They also focus on responsive design, ensuring content is accessible across various devices. Aspiring UX/UI designers need proficiency in several key areas. Wireframing and prototyping are essential for testing the functionality and structure of apps and services. User research helps designers understand user needs and expectations. Visual design skills are crucial for creating appealing and functional interfaces. Copywriting is important for effective user interactions, and information architecture helps organize and structure content for websites and applications. These skills are vital for creating successful digital products and services. Mastering UX and UI design skills can lead to a rewarding career in the growing field of digital interface design. By understanding the differences between UX and UI, and developing essential skills like wireframing, user research, visual design, copywriting, and information architecture, aspiring designers can create meaningful and engaging user experiences. Embrace these skills to excel in the dynamic world of UX/UI design.